Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 iPhone settings that you should turn off right now. Of course, alongside with this setting, I will also give you a reason on why you should turn off that setting on your device. The first setting you should turn off is found under Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, depends on what device you have. Scroll down here and you will find USB accessories right here. Now, what this does is that it allows you or someone else to connect USB accessories to your device even when your device is locked. So go ahead and turn this off, and then it will prevent that from happening. The second setting you should turn off is found under Location Services. So go to Settings, go to Privacy, Location Services, and scroll down here to System Services. Right here you will find Significant Locations. So let's go ahead and open this. So once you open this, you will find here significant locations. Now what this does is that it will track your movement, and basically it will show you right here your most frequent locations. So you don't want your iPhone to track you. Of course, that will track you. Keep a history here of the places that you visit the most. Also, that consumes battery, and also it will decrease the performance of your iPhone, as always is working in the background. So what you want to do is turn this off right here. Another setting that I turn off immediately once I get a new device is found under Display and Brightness. Right here you will find Rise to Wake. Now some people might like this feature. Basically what it does is that it wakes up the screen of your iPhone once you pull it out of your pocket or you pick it up from a table, but that will consume a lot of battery as it's working constantly on the background. Another setting that I suggest to turn off is called Wi-Fi Assist. Now there are two sides to this setting. One is that it's better to turn it on, the other that it's better to turn it off. So if you want your iPhone to have a longer battery life, of course you want to have it on, because what it does is that it won't allow your device to constantly keep trying to connect to a Wi-Fi connection that is weak, but it will just go ahead and quickly move to the data and will not consume a lot of battery. But I suggest that you turn it off. That's because when you're probably maybe watching a video on YouTube or doing anything and your Wi-Fi connection is not that good, it might jump to your cellular data and will consume a lot of data, maybe without you even noticing it, and you will have a lot of data consumed from your iPhone. So turn it off if you don't want to spend a lot of data. Another setting that I always turn off my device is found on Privacy. So if you scroll down here, we'll find Motion and Fitness. Just go ahead, turn that off if you don't use it. So what this does is that it will of course track your motion and all that for the fitness app and the health apps and all that. But if you don't use those apps, go ahead, turn that off, because it will decrease the performance as well as it will consume more battery on your iPhone. The other setting you want to turn off is Push Data. So what this does basically is that it will constantly keep your device connected to email servers and just basically waiting any second for a new email and push it to you. But of course you don't need that. It's not like emails are that urgent. You can have them every 15 minutes. That's okay basically. So what you want to do is just go ahead and just basically turn that off right there, and you can go to each of your accounts that you have and just select Fetch right there, and then you can go ahead and choose here manually, hourly, 30 minutes or 15 minutes. That will preserve a lot of battery on your device. Another setting that I suggest you turn off is the previews of the notifications. So of course you're out with your friends or anyone, you have your phone on the table, you get a message, a notification, you don't want everyone to see what's written there. So you can turn that off by going to Settings, go to Notifications, go to Show Previews, and just tap here on Never. Two other settings that you want to turn off are found on the iTunes and App Store section. The first one is in-app ratings and reviews. Now what this does is that if you keep that on, it will constantly show you pop-ups to review and rate apps on the App Store. So what you want to do is just turn that off. The other one is video autoplay. So what this does is that it will autoplay videos on the App Store. When you go to an app to take a look at it, it will autoplay the videos that are basically like an ad for the app or something like that. So you turn this off and that will preserve a lot of battery, also will consume less data if you're connected to the cellular data, and you go to the App Store and it autoplays the video. Of course, that consumes a lot of data, so that way you will save your data by turning this off. And last but not least are the analytics. You can do that by going to settings, go into privacy and go to analytics right here, and just go ahead and turn off here share iPhone analytics. If you don't want to share your analytics with Apple, you can go ahead and turn that off from here. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.